Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we have successfully completed 5 chapters in Indian Economic Development of class 12th. Today, I am going to start with a new chapter, chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Rural Development. So, in today's class, we will discuss about the introduction, meaning and process of rural development. So, let's begin with the introduction. In India, majority of the poor people live in rural areas where they do not have access to basic necessities of life. Around 30% of our total population still lives below the poverty line. Agriculture with the maximum share of rural economy has grown at a merger rate of 2.7% in the last 50 years. The share of agriculture sector to GDP was on a decline and there has been increase in the share of industrial and service sector. However, the population dependent on agricultural sector did not show any significant changes. Moreover, after the economic reforms of 1991 LPG, the growth rate of agriculture sector decelerated to 2.3%, which was lower than the earlier years. Now, what is the meaning of the term rural development? The word rural development comprises of two words, rural and development. Let's see its meaning. Rural development refers to a continuous and comprehensive socio-economic process attempting to improve all aspects of rural life. So, let's begin with the process of rural development. The process of rural development aims at comprehensive change and improvement of rural life in all aspects. Some of the areas which are challenging and need fresh initiatives for development in India include development of human resources. The quality of human resources needed to be improved through following measures: proper attention to literacy, education and skills development, better health facilities for the physical growth, development of infrastructure. It involves improvement in electricity, irrigation, credit, marketing and transport facilities, better facilities for agricultural research and extension and information disseminations, land reforms. It includes the following objectives: elimination of exploitation in land relations, actualization of the goal of land to the tillers, improvement of socio-economic condition of rural poor by widening their land base, increasing agricultural productions, elevation of poverty. As stated earlier, about 30% of total population is still below the poverty line. So there is a serious need for taking serious steps for elevation of poverty and bringing significant improvement in living condition of weaker section. Development of the productive resources of each locality to enhance opportunities of employment, particularly other than farming. So basically these are the 5 concepts which are associated with the process of rural development. In India, agriculture is the major source of livelihood, no doubt, in the rural sector especially, with more than 2/3 of population of India depending on it. So the development in agriculture will contribute to the betterment of rural areas and rural people. However, the term rural development includes not only the agricultural development, but it involves all those aspects which improves quality of life of people. It aims at improving the economic and socio condition of people living in the village area. Rural people account for about 3/4 of the total population. However, they have always lagged much behind the overall progress of the entire economy. In order to overcome these undesirable trends, special programs for rural development began to be designed since the 70s. In addition to the provision of 5th five-year plan of the country. So students, this is all about chapter 6, rural development. We have discussed introduction, meaning and process. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.